Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. If it's an Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And if it's a normal, their website link will be also down below. Either or, check them out. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside and what you could get. Let's see what this is. Oh, baby. Alright. Now we're getting somewhere. Yep, this is Amazon. Also, I think they have a website, so I'll leave both links. You guys can check them out. This is going to be a iDPRT direct thermal label printer. Man, I wish I had these when I was doing the autograph collecting and stuff like that. And eBay and stuff, but kind of took a break from all that. It's alright, sometimes you got to. Drivers, Windows, Linux, Mac. Alright. Direct thermal. Types folded paper, roll paper, die cut label, black mark paper. Alright. This is pretty cool. So if you got small business or just your own business, you might want to pick one of these up. You get the manual. You might need it. Definitely excited to test this out. And like I said, all you gotta do is click that link down below, add it to your cart, and check out. Unless you want to browse around for a few minutes and see what other goodies they have to offer. Shipping label printer. So this is cool. This is definitely a good thing to have, though. Like I said, if you do a lot of SSC or ETSY, whatever that website is called, this would be a good one for that. Mercury. Got a mini disc. And it comes with a few extra labels. So you can get started. So that's pretty cool. Take these out. Put these over. Oops. There we go. So we're going to need this. So when you see this is not garbage material, this is good paper to use for the labels. Mini disc. I'm probably going to have to install it. So this computer over here has a disk drive thing, but you could go on their website and download the disk drives, what you're going to need. So it shows in the manual how to do it. You just got to find your right setting on it and then download it. So it's really simple. You just gotta go to iDPRT.com or something like that. You get a long cable printer right there. And you get the power cord. It's pretty long. Oh, there we go. Let's take a look at the machine. Here's the switch, turn it on. This is where you feed the paper through. This is where it shoots out. I think this is the power button or the release button. Here, the magic starts. There's that ink roller. I'm sure they have them on the website if you want to buy more of them. Unless it's like a infinity kind, but I think you gotta buy them. They don't last that long. But here we go. Really cool. Put that down. So now let's see, how do we load the paper? May I help you? Nope. Throw that away. Now, these are nice instructions. So we got the feed button. It is. Oh, there's a USB right there. It goes there. The printer cable. Where's the feed button? This is to adjust the length of the paper. Alright. Number 1 is the feed button status. So this will light up. Alright, here we go. Insert paper. So from the back. Yep. Then goes like that. Shoots out. Load it from the back. And there we go. Alright. See, here's the Windows. It'll tell how to install. But I'm going to use the disk. So, like I said, if you don't have a disk drive, you can go to our website and download it. But if you got a disk drive, use this. Alright, let's see. Which way does it go? Alright. Should turn this on. First, plug it into my computer. Insert the paper into the entry slot. The paper will be sucked into the paper automatically. Okay. Alright, yeah. So we're gonna hop over to my computer in about 2 seconds. Alright guys, once you get it set up, you're gonna open up your Bluetooth devices. It's gonna be the 410. This guy is already, the blinking light is because I haven't fed it the paper. But we're gonna go click, open, print test page. Yeah, see, I'm gonna have to put the paper in. 1 second. Alright, YouTubers, we got it right there. Got that right there. Just gotta feed it in there. And then we just gotta do now let's see if I have something I could print. Show you the ink. You can switch orientation. You have a watermark. Paper inch, centimeters, millimeters. Rotate, preview. I think everything looks fine. I don't want to screw it up that much. But you can switch it around. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. There we go. You gotta switch speed, test, form. Okay, there we go. Now it's calibrating. So that's good. Post print, tear off. Use current setting. Tear off. Save paper. We're not going to do that. Or bottom. Okay, so that's all good. Half tone. None. Cluster. Brightness. You can switch. Make it darker. That's fine with me. Open print. There's nothing there, so that's where it all goes. Documents, views, printer, set as default. So like I said, this would be a great one to pick up for your small business, or just like a personal business for where you sell things, you know, wherever. But definitely check them out. iDPRT, PRR or PRT. Pretty cool. Label maker. Whoops. Here we go. Really nice. Easy to set up. It was just like that. A few minutes and you're good to go. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.